In this video, we'll show you some of the procedures for troubleshooting or servicing Betz hydraulic pumps. Please observe all safety guidelines, use correct tools, and wear the appropriate safety apparel when performing any of these operations. As with any maintenance work, proper safety gear and procedures must be used at all times. A list of hazards may include, but are not limited to, contents under pressure, loaded springs, pinch points, residual product, flammable or toxic liquids and vapors. This is the pressure release handle. Be sure to relieve any pressure in the system by rotating the pressure release handle counterclockwise to the open position. Remove the piston's E-clip and clevis pin from the handle beam. Remove the piston and inspect for damage or wear. Fill the piston cavity all the way to the top with the same fluid as in the pump's reservoir. Replace the piston and wipe any fluid from the top of the bushing and wiper. Reinstall the clevis pin and E-clip. Prime the pump by actuating the piston slowly 4 to 10 times. You should be able to feel the fluid flowing back through the valve block and back into the reservoir. If your pump loses prime or pressure, it can be due to a loose side plug allowing seepage and fluid loss. Simply retighten this plug to full hand tightness with a 1/4 inch Allen wrench to reseal the plug. Remove the outlet along with the ball spring. Using a magnet, extract the ball and discard. After removing the ball, reinsert the magnet to attract any loose metal as well as remove any other debris from the seat area. Install a new 313 ball and repeen the seat with a cupped metal drift, part number 75784MS. Be sure the ball is centered on the seat and also centered on the cup of the drift before peening. After peening, remove the ball and inspect for damage. If damaged at all from the drift, discard and replace. Install either new or an undamaged ball. Install a new outlet O-ring into the outlet and carefully reinstall the outlet and ball spring. Care must be taken to be sure the ball is picked up with the end of the spring and guided into the seat. Be sure the ball does not wind into the spring. Torque the outlet to approximately 20 to 25 foot-pounds and reprime the pump if needed. This is the pressure release handle. Be sure to relieve any pressure in the system by rotating the pressure release handle counterclockwise to the open position. Remove the bypass cap and spring and inspect them for damage. Use a magnet to remove the bypass plug and 188 ball. And inspect the cavity for damage and remove any debris. Temporarily install a new 313 ball and repeen the ball seat with a cupped metal drift. Be sure the ball is centered on the seat and also centered on the cup of the drift before peening. After peening, remove the 313 ball and discard. Install a new 188 bypass ball and the bypass plug. Reinstall the bypass cap and bypass spring. The spring should move freely in the cap. Torque the cap to approximately 15 foot-pounds. Do not over-tighten.